Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Becca will be reviewing these gorgeous Chanel nail art stickers that we got from Wish. They are, of course, knockoffs, and they were actually free, but we did have to pay a few dollars to have them shipped to us in Canada.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. So this is the package that I received from Wish. It's pretty small, just big enough to fit one sheet of stickers. Like most nail sticker sheets, this one comes in a plastic cover to protect the stickers from getting scratched. On the back of the package, they have instructions for how to use the stickers, which, to paraphrase, are to place the stickers on dried nail polish and then top coat it. This sticker sheet includes a variety of different Chanel logos in black, white, and gold, as well as some gold chain and some flowers. It's a little hard to see the gold in this lighting, but you can catch glimpses of it when the sheet turns. So to test these stickers out, I'm going to be making a black and white design. Start out with a base coat and 2 color coats. Paint 2 of your nails white and 3 black. I left parts of 2 nails unpainted to add some negative space to the look. To get the stickers off the sheet, gently nudge the edge with either your nail or a pair of tweezers. For the longer stickers, you can use cuticle nippers to cut them into the right sizes and shapes. Place the sticker on the nail, press it down, and then use cuticle nippers to trim the hanging edge. So it's the same process for the next nail. Peel the sticker off, trim it, and place it right at the edge of the polish to make a clean line. For the stickers that don't need to be trimmed, simply peel them off the plastic backing, place them on the nail, and then pat them down to make sure they're completely flat against the nail. Once you have all of your stickers in place, seal everything in with a top coat to add a beautiful shine. I have kind of mixed reviews on these stickers. They're very easy to use, and for the stickers on the white polish, you can't really see the edges at all. However, I found that the longer, thicker stickers that I put on the black polish crinkled at the edges or curled up when I top coated them. I don't know if this is something to do with the base polish itself somehow, or if the thicker stickers just don't curve well with my nails, but I wish they'd held up a bit better. Overall, for the price, I think this is a pretty decent product and is an easy way to get some quick, classy Chanel nails. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.